Company matching taxes are a major expense that you have to make sure that you're accounting for. In the software, it was up to you to make sure that you went through each year and updated that number. Don't you wish that could be automated? Well, that's the topic of this week's Planning for Profit Minute. Now, prior to this, we've always had tables built into the software. So as soon as you entered your state in your profile, the software went out, loaded up all the company matching taxes from those tables. The problem came in where if you rolled your company over to the next model year, say November or December, many states don't update their maximum limits or their limit changes until the very last week of December or even into the first several weeks of January. At that point, when you rolled your company over, it probably pulled wrong data. And it was up to you to make sure that your company matching taxes were updated correctly. Well, we fixed that. At this point now, anytime you log into your software, it's going to go back to those master data tables and pull out, make sure that your company matching taxes are correct. For example, if you rolled your data over in December and now it's the middle of January, you run your software, first thing it's going to do is go out, check the master data tables for those, and update any information that may have been updated. If you ever want to check to see where your company data is, all you need to do is click on the second line right here, standard business model, because company matching taxes can vary by model. And so I can click on right on the model name itself. And when I do that, this table is going to open up and I can actually see where my information is currently at in my particular model. And again, it will update this information for you every time you log into the software and make sure it's accurate. Now, the only thing we can't update for you is your state unemployment tax percentage. That's unique to your company, and you need to change that one on your own. Now, I will tell you this. If I come right here, I can see what it is, but I can't really change it. Even if I alter that number, go out of it and come back in, it's right back to where it was originally. The reason for that is because, again, I don't want just anybody changing those tax variables. So what you're going to do to update that one is we'll go into Setup on the far right. We're going to go into Company Models. And then you're going to pick the particular year that you're looking at. So I'm looking at my standard business model, right, for 2026. You're going to hit on the three dots. And I'm standing in front of it, right? So you'll click on the three action dots for that particular year, and then you want to edit. Right? Now, when this table opens up, you can now see right down at the bottom, there's all of your company matching taxes. Here's where you'll make the change and save it. All right, so if I change it, if mine went up to 4%, I can now save those changes in this table. I now have success. Now, when I come back in here, I can see that we've now updated to 4%. So it's very simple to make sure that your taxes are accurate. We're going to do our part to cover the majority of them. You just need to make sure your state withholding percentage is accurate. And that is this week's Planning for Profit Minute.